Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik has just joined us, and I take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to him, along with all other esteemed dignitaries accompanying him, Honorable Minister Sports and Youth Services, Government of Odisha, Shri Tushar Kanti Behera, Chief Secretary, Government of Odisha, Shri Suresh Mahapatra, and Commissioner cum Secretary, Sports and Youth Services, Government of Odisha, Shri R. Vinil Krishna. A very warm welcome to all our esteemed dignitaries. Ladies and gentlemen, where Odisha steps today, that turns into a stepping stone of success for others tomorrow. Thanks to Odisha and its visionary Chief Minister, India today knows how a state's patronage can transform sports. The historic heights nation's hockey ascended has been a glorious testimony. On that note, I extend a warm welcome to all of you to this event and request Honorable Minister, Sports and Youth Services, Government of Odisha, Shri Tushar Kanti Behera, to present the welcome address.
Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Naveen Patnaik sir, FIH President, Dr. Narinder Dhruv Batraji, Chairman, Odisha Hockey Promotion Council, Padma Shri Dilip Tirkiji, Chief Secretary, Government of India, Shri Suresh Mahapatraji, Secretary General, Hockey India, Shri Rajinder Singh ji, Commissioner cum Secretary, Shri R. Vinil Krishna ji, distinguished guests, sportspersons, officials of Hockey India and Sports and Youth Services Department, media friends, and people watching this ceremony live. Greetings and a very good evening to one and all. Today, Odisha is going to add yet another milestone to its journey in sports, and it has only been possible under the visionary leadership and support of Honorable Chief Minister sir, and I extend a warm welcome to you sir. It is under your aegis, sir, that Odisha has earned global recognition and is a preferred partner for federations. It has not only risen to be the sports hub of the country, but has also evolved to be the global hub of hockey. Dr. Narinder Batraji, as President, FIH, has spearheaded the rise of hockey nationally and globally. He has ensured that the hockey teams have gone from strength to strength, scripted history at the Tokyo Olympics, and command top world rankings today. I extend a warm welcome you to this momentous occasion, sir. I welcome Chairman Odisha Hockey Promotion Council, Padma Shri Dilip Tirkiji, who has been inspiring generations of hockey players from the state and nation. His passion for the sports is reflected in his commitment and efforts to better hockey from grassroots to elite. And in all our endeavors, Sports Department has had commendable support from Chief Secretary, Sri Suresh Mahapatra, and I welcome him to this august gathering. I also welcome Secretary General Hockey India, Sri Rajinder Singh, to this august gathering. He has been actively involved in developing hockey at the grassroots and is committed to developing and popularizing the sports even further. Private Secretary to Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Sri V. Karthikeyan Pandyan, an accomplished sportsperson and a great proponent of youth development through sports, has been an integral part of Odisha's sports journey. I extend a warm welcome you. We have amongst us today members of Rugby India and the Under-18 Girls Rugby team that recently won silver at the Asia Rugby Under-18 Girls Rugby Sevens Championship at Uzbekistan. The team has made the nation extremely proud with their performance and victory. I commend each one of them who at such a young age put up a stellar show in an international tournament, and I welcome Rugby India and the Under-18 girls team to this grand event. I also welcome our sportspersons from other disciplines who with their sheer determination and dedication are scaling greater heights and thereby strengthening our commitment to sports even further. Dignitaries, officials of Hockey India and the state government, members of media and the people watching this ceremony live, a warm welcome to you all to join us this ceremony. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I now take this opportunity to request Dr. Narinder Dhruv Batra, President FIH, President Indian Olympic Association, and member International Olympic Committee for his address.
Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik ji, Honorable Sports Minister of Odisha, Shri Tushar Kanti Behera ji, Chief Secretary, Shri Suresh Chandra Mahapatra, Padma Shri, Shri Dilip Tirki ji, Commissioner cum Secretary, Sports and Youth Affairs, Shri R. Viril Krishna, Hockey India Secretary General, Mr. Rajendra Singh, and to all the dignitaries present here today, a very good evening to all of you. It's truly a momentous occasion for the International Hockey Federation to be again in Bhubaneswar, which has become a very important center for sports in India. We are still in awe of the way Government of Odisha organized the 2018 Men's World Cup, which has become a benchmark for the rest of the world, which not only displayed the best of hockey but showcased Odisha and India to rest of the world, its enormous capabilities of hosting mega events and showcased the tourist destinations of Odisha. The iconic Kalinga Stadium, Bhubaneswar, has come to be known as the best venue for world hockey tournaments. And I'm confident with the new stadium in Rourkela, which currently is under construction, that the standards of hosting these excellent facilities will help take hockey to the next level. We have to take cognizance of the fact that we are currently living in unprecedented times. However, like hosting of the Olympic Games in Tokyo recently, changed the mood of people towards better times across the globe. Similarly, we hope to see similar trends in India through the hosting of high-intensity international events in Bhubaneswar, the sports capital of India. And for this, I will request Government of Odisha through Honorable Chief Minister to show the way to rest of India. And before I conclude, I would like to compliment the women's rugby team for winning the silver medal in the under-18 competition. And I also like to compliment my friend Rahul Bose, who's taken upon himself to take rugby forward. And I can assure you from Olympic, we'll give you all the support you require. But you don't need anyone when Odisha is there. And I would say, like, Odisha has been lucky for hockey. After 41 years, we won a bronze medal. Similarly, your under-18 girls, which are supported by Odisha. So I can say Odisha for us is a lucky charm. So thank you, sir. I would also like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Naveen Patnaik ji, and the people of Odisha for their continued support to hockey and setting benchmarks for rest of India and in hockey for rest of the world. Please stay healthy, and thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Well, ladies and gentlemen, vision defines a leader, and it is Honorable Chief Minister Shri Naveen Patnaik's vision to make sports a tool of empowerment of youth, which is actually creating a social revolution. Apart from turning Odisha into the country's new sports capital by hosting global sports event, his decision to sponsor Indian national hockey teams, which brought Olympic glory, is now stuff of the legend. So could I now request for an address by our Honorable Chief Minister, who's setting the narrative for sports and sportspersons in India today.
Honorable Minister for Sports and Youth Services, President FIH, Dr. Batra, President Hockey India, Chairman Odisha Hockey Promotion Council, Chief Secretary, ladies and gentlemen, hockey has a special place among sports in Odisha. Hockey players from our state led the country in many international tournaments. Over the last decade, we've been working closely with Hockey India for the development of hockey in the country. We have sponsored the national teams since 2018. We have been the host for major tournaments, including the Hockey World Cup. All these efforts have led to the historic success of the Indian men's and women's hockey teams at the recent Tokyo Olympics. These achievements brought great joy to people across the country. It was declared that the glory of Indian hockey is back. There is a lot of excitement about the prospects of Indian hockey in coming years. The Hockey World Cup in January 2023 will be a landmark event and provide further momentum for hockey development in the country. Odisha will continue to be a part of this journey of Indian hockey. We've already announced that we will support the Indian national team for another 10 years. We are also building India's largest hockey stadium in Rourkela. We are creating AstroTurf-based grassroots training program in the state. Recently, Hockey India has approached us to support them for the Men's Junior World Cup, which is to be held in 2 months' time. It's a short notice for making the arrangements for such an event, especially during the pandemic period. Since the country's prestige is at stake, we have readily agreed to support. I'm happy to announce that Kalinga Stadium, Bhubaneswar, will be hosting the FI8 Junior Men's Hockey World Cup from 24th November to 5th December 2021. In the last edition, the Indian junior team had won the World Cup. As the reigning champions, I'm sure that our team will take advantage of the home ground and emerge victorious again. My best wishes to Hockey India and the Indian team. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha. And what an exciting announcement and news once again for all sports and hockey lovers. Can we have a huge round of applause once again? Men's Junior Hockey World Cup 2021 in Odisha. The cup keep coming. Come on, boys and girls. What a glorious moment for us.
When graduating to the next level. Honorable Minister for Sports and Youth Services, Government of Odisha, Sri Tushar Kanti Behera ji, has been at the helm of all sports development over the recent years, and I thank him for his constant and valuable support. Under his aegis, Odisha has hosted many international hockey tournaments and soon will host the Junior Men's Hockey World Cup. As President FIH, Sri Narendra Dhruv Batra ji has always worked towards holistic development of hockey nationally and globally. It is vision that hockey has gained immense popularity in the world. I extend my sincere thanks for his contribution to the development of hockey. I extend my sincere thanks to Chief Secretary Sri Suresh Mahapatra ji for his time and for being a part of Odisha's significant rise in the world of sports, especially hockey. Today, the world is looking at us with great pride and lauding the efforts of the Federation Hockey India, and rightly so. And I thank Secretary General Hockey India for strengthening Odisha's connection with hockey. I also thank Private Secretary to Chief Minister of Odisha, Sri B.K. Pandianji, for his tremendous support in transforming the sports landscape of Odisha, which has brought in global recognition. Last but not the least, I extend my thank you to all dignitaries of the DICE, under 18 girls rugby team, sports persons, official of Hockey India, Rugby India, Sports and Youth Services Department, media friends, and each and everyone here and those watching us live for their encouragement and support. Here on, there will be no looking back for Indian hockey anymore. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And I would like to once again thank our Honorable Chief Minister for gracing this occasion, and would like to thank all other esteemed dignitaries on dais for the same.